Good morning, dear students. I am Simpy. All of you are welcome to EVS class. In the previous class, what have you studied? Do you remember? In the previous class, we studied about the clothes. Why do we wear clothes? What is the importance of clothes? We studied about the different types of clothes. What types of clothes do we wear and when do we wear? Do you like to wear jeans? Presently, we love to wear jeans. Do you know who invented the fabric jeans? The fabric called blue jeans was first invented by Jacob W. Davis and Levi Strauss in the 1800s. We studied about the story of cloth. Then we studied about the process of making cloth. What is spinning? Spinning is a process through which cotton balls are converted into yarn. Weaving. What is weaving? Weaving is a process by which two sets of thread are crossed together on a loom. Knitting. What is knitting? In this process, we make woolen clothes with the help of two needles. In the previous class, I gave you assignment that you have to write down the names of clothes and mention when do you wear. Have you done that assignment? And I told you that at least you have to write 5 names of clothes. If yes, then good. And if no, then you have to do this assignment. Assignment is very important for you. You have to do on time, right? Without further ado, let's get started. Now, we will continue this chapter. Do you like this dress? Yeah, but there is a shortcoming in this dress. What? This dress is not colorful. If we dye this dress, it will be beautiful. Color makes clothes attractive. Do you like this dress? Yes, this dress is so beautiful. Do you like colorful dress? Yes, everyone likes. See, such type of colorful dresses we like to wear. Red, yellow, pink, green. Such type of dresses we like to wear. We have to dye the clothes for making them attractive. In the previous class, we studied that how is cloth made. Today, we will study that how do we dye the clothes, because this is very important to make clothes attractive. How do we dye the clothes? Pour hot water in the bucket. Hot water. After that, add dye in the water. Add dye in the water. Then soak the clothes in a solution of hot water and color dye. The color of a piece of cloth can be changed using a dye. Now, all of you know that how do we dye the clothes? What is the process of coloring? What is dyeing? All of you know. Dyeing is the process through which pieces of cloth are colored. It can be done by hand or machine. What are the types of dyes? There are two types of dyes: natural dyes and chemical dyes. Natural dyes can be obtained from plants and vegetables. For example, green color from spinach. See, green color from spinach. Red color from beetroot. Yellow color from turmeric. Blue color from indigo. Now, all of you got it about the natural dyes? Chemical dyes are made from chemicals. Chemical dyes are made in the lab. Today, we have learnt about the process of coloring. How do we dye the clothes? Because this is very important. Color makes clothes attractive. What is your assignment? Create sample piece of fabric dyed naturally. You have to color a piece of cloth to use natural dye. You have to learn that how to dye the cloth, and you have to stick that sample in your notebook. You have to do this assignment. We will discuss further topics in the next class. Stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.